Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing... Oh, go away. I'm going to be doing a... Let's try not to suck my balls. Oh, lag. Let's just get rid of the music. Alright. So this should be much easier now. Oh, I still need to do 12. Oopsies. I'll do that afterwards. Okay, so the process to get 14's yellow bird is rather annoying. I've already 100%ed it, so it's going to be kind of like a let's just hope this works for you. Alright. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. You want to wait for that cannon so it's pointing right here. Generally. Then you want to start. You want to get up here. And as soon as you get here, as soon as you stomp down, that is exactly how you get the bird. And, oh, I guess I could show you how to skid jump all of them. Here we go. Skid jump, skid jump, skid jump, skid jump, skid jump, regular jump. Get the wall, and there we go. And this is another video for you. Bye-bye.